here is a great way to start off your new year. When in doubt, spa it out.
Sounds pretty good. Embrace a whole new you this year at Diva Day Spa. Alex Parker is live there learning how to get your wellness journey started for 2025. And is that Alex?
Oh, yeah, he's already.
Oh, my gosh. This is a hard assignment today, huh?
After the snow coverage yesterday, this is exactly what the doctor ordered. I'm joined by Cindy. She owns this wonderful place. She is also the, do I have this right, Cindy, Chief Happiness Officer?
Yes, you do.
I've been here about 10 minutes. I already feel much better. Cindy, what are we doing here?
Well, what we do here is the healing room focuses on healing, counseling, a little bit of therapy. We talk for a little bit on my comfy couch, chair, and then afterwards, we get on this table where you are. So you're laying down right now, and what I'm doing is I'm spraying some aromatherapy essential oils. That way you can inhale, exhale, calm that breathing down, bring down the blood pressure, just calm everything down so that you can be more in a peaceful state and have clarity and peace. And typically I do this in a semi-darkened room, and I just go around and just clearing, just using my hands just to clear. So it's like an internal massage is what you're getting.
Cindy, thank you. For more about this amazing place, please go to foxbaltimore.com/newslinks. She figured me out in about 2 minutes. She knows everything that's going on with me, and she's fixing me. I'm going to be someone, when I get back there for lifestyle. By the way, I wore pink today, and I'm in this wonderful pink room.
You already
and I'm good to go.
You're gonna get the matching nails to go with that?
We may see you in an hour. I don't know.
Okay.
Okay. I don't know. He's going back into his therapy session. All right.
It is time now to rest, relax, refresh, and splendidly unwind. Are you ready to put your best face forward this year?
Oh, that sounds great. Yeah. Alex Parker is. He's at Diva Day Spa. He's ready to face off with the experts once he wakes up from this. Alex, you are being pampered beyond belief this morning.
It really is wonderful. I mean, I'm blessed to be here. Anya is giving me a facial. Anya, thank you so much.
Thank you for coming.
It's what do I mean, this is my first facial. Why are facials important? Why are they so good for us?
Your skin is the largest organ in your body. So just like you take care of your body, you want to take care of your skin. That's where your skincare comes in. Moisturizing, cleansing, making sure that you're putting in the necessary ingredients and vitamins back into it. Plus, when you feel good, when you look good, you feel good. And you're just able to, put your best face forward and take on the day in the year.
What is happening? What stage are we in? I hope this is early in the process because I'm just getting used to this.
Yes, of course. So we just finished your first cleanse. I'm actually about to go into your second cleanse, and then we're going to move into exfoliation, where we're going to take away a layer of your dead skin, any leftover oil, dirt, dust, caked up in your face.
I'm looking forward to Cleanse 17. Anya, thank you so much.
Thank you.
For more information on Diva Day Spa and facials and all the amazing things, please go to foxbaltimore.com/newslinks.
Alex, I just wish you would relax more. He works so hard.
I mean, he's got the room.
It was the snow coverage yesterday.
Yes, all that snow coverage.
I was trying to tilt my head. I deserve every bit. I would sort of tilt my head to the camera, but I'm just too darn comfortable. I hope you'll excuse me.
Are you even going to make it back for lifestyle? Or Megan, you might be doing lifestyle.
I will. It's in sports we call that a game time decision.
All right. Well, you just enjoy for now.
I know one thing. If I do, my face will never have looked better.
That's what I was going to say. Alex, enjoy. We'll check back in on step 3 coming up. A new year means a much-needed detox for many people, and you may be in need of a spectacular experience.
Looking at what Alex has been getting, I am in need of that. Diva Day Spa is helping to restore balance for the new year. Alex Parker is there finding out why self-care is so important. Hey, Alex.
Greetings from the Diva Day Spa here in Upper Co, Baltimore County. An amazing place if you want to feel better for 2025, and who doesn't? This may be the destination for you. I'm going to head and get a little sauna here, find out what this is all about. I'm joined by Cindy.
Come on in, Alex. Come on in.
And she's also the Chief happiness officer
Yes,
here.
sir.
Thank you for having us.
Thank you so much.
What are we doing here? How am I gonna enjoy this?
Detoxing with infrared radiation. It's going into our joints, all the parts of our body, detoxing the skin. This is purging all the toxins. They say get the toxins before they get you. So this goes up to 140 degrees. We're in here. There's a beautiful playlist playing, and you can sit here and meditate. Usually it's darkened, or we can put the red light therapy on for your skin. Oh my goodness, Alex, this is it.
Don't have a ton of time. I imagine this is usually most of your clients are women. Am I crazy?
No, you're not. You're
But
not
for
crazy.
men, what do we need to know?
Well, what you need to know is this helps slow down your blood pressure, cholesterol. A lot of men don't know that their health issues that they're facing are because of toxins in their body. So men can come here as well with their wives.
I got you. Cindy, thank you.
Or without.
For having us. Happy New Year.
Thank you.
For more information on Diva Day Spa, please go to foxbaltimore.com/newslinks. We're going to do a little sauna here. I know I will feel better on the other side of this. We'll throw it back to the studio. I'm Alex Parker, Fox 45 News.